Hello, welcome to Anglè sans redi. Pa bliye, depi ou tombe sou channel sa ou la kayo. Let's jump! What's up? What's up? Sak pase? Sorry, I am late. Sorry, I am late. Désolé, mwen en retard. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ki kote ou pou ale? I was speaking. I was speaking. Mwen te ap pale. I feel sick. I feel sick. Mwen senti malade. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Ki sa wap chache? How can I say that? How can I say that? Koman mwen kapab di sa? I do not know. I do not know. Mwen pa konen. What did you say? What did you say? Ki sa ou te di? I didn't have time. I didn't have time. Mwen pa te gen tan. I say nothing. I say nothing. Mwen pa di anyen. Do you know that in English? Do you know that in English? Eske ou konen sa en anglais? I like English. I like English. Mwen reme anglais. I want to tell you. I want to tell you. Mwen vle di ou. What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? Ki juye te ye? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Oui, ou kapab. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? Ki numero téléphone ou? Can I come in? Can I come in? Eske mwen ka rentre? Can I enter? Can I enter? Eske mwen ka entre? What is in your bag? What is in your bag? Ki sa ki nan valiz ou a? It is a camera. It is a camera. Li se yon kamera. This is a book. This is a book. Sa se yon liv. This is a notebook. This is a notebook. Sa se yon kaye. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Ki jan ou ka eple nan ou? Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Kote bik mwen yan? It's on the table. It's on the table. Li an wo tabla. It's under the table. It's under the table. Li an ba tabla.